As you know, it is sweatpants season and it's getting pretty crispy in most places. So today's video is all about how to wear sweatpants. I know you know how to wear sweatpants, but there are different ways that you can elevate the sweatpants to a more elevated lounge look. So in today's video, I'm going to take about 4 different colors of sweatpants and switch each pair up into 4 or 3 or 4 different styles. So you will have your regular everyday lounge type of outfit. Then we'll elevate it a little bit to where you can jazz it up and wear it out when you're running errands or visiting relatives or whatever it is that you do. And then we'll take it up another notch to where you can wear it into the office. So come on, let's have some fun with sweatpants. Okay, so this first look is my everyday lounge around the house look and even work from home look. And I basically just have on a pair of sweats. They do have pockets and they're in my favorite color, which is pumpkin spice, and some flip-flops. Okay, so now we're going to take it up a notch. Okay, so to take this up a notch, I'm gonna ditch the flip-flops and I'm gonna add some sandals and a purse. Okay, so I grabbed my favorite bag and I put on some cute sandals, and you can see how I can pretty much go out around town, visit some relatives, run some errands, and still look cute. So this is sort of like an elevated look. Still comfortable, but just a little bit more sexy. If it's a little chilly in the area where you live, you can take this up another notch by adding a cute little number like this. It's a plaid shirt with a hoodie on the back. Excuse the tag. This item will be offered for sale on the site. Not this one, because this one is going to be mine. Whenever I order things that I would wear myself personally, and I always get my size. Okay, so here you can see this look is elevated. Okay, you can wear this to work. It has the hoodie on it, but the hoodie is removable. So you can take the hoodie part off and definitely wear this into the office. I would take the hoodie off. For the office, let me show you how it looks. So with this shirt, you simply just remove the hoodie like so. And you can wear this to work. It does look nice with these sweatpants. This will look nice with some black sweatpants as well. But as you can see, minus the tag, I'm ready to go to work. Alright. This is totally acceptable for a casual Friday. I think for me, if I was to wear this to work, I wouldn't wear my toes out. So let me show you how it looks without the sandals. Okay, now we're ready for work. As you can see, I put on a pair of pumps with this, and it actually looks really nice. This is what they call elevated loungewear. So you pretty much just have on something comfortable like sweats and dress it up a little bit, and you have yourself an elevated look. This is something you can wear into the office on a casual Friday. Okay, me personally, I would like to wear these with some sort of like combat boots with this plaid shirt. This right here is a really comfortable look, and you can wear this to work as well on a casual Friday. Or if you're going out on a date night with your boo, or meeting friends for drinks. Okay, you guys, that's it for now. I don't want this video to be too long, but I do have maybe a part 2 and a part 3 coming, where I'll style another color pair of the sweatpants, black, wine, and gray, into different outfits like you saw here today. The regular casual look, the elevated look where you're running errands but you still look cute, and even more elevated look where something that you can wear to work or for a date night or out for drinks with your girlfriend. So I hope you found this informative. Let me know if you like this, and let me know how you wear your sweatpants. Share some pics. Until next time, stay safe.